Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your account is signed in and Xbox Live shows online. This rules out service outages. Next, reboot the modem, then router, then the Xbox. Wait about 30 seconds between each power cycle so cache is clear. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable directly into the console to eliminate Wi-Fi variables or move closer to the router if wired isn't possible. These first steps isolate where the connection problem actually lives and let you act with precision. You now dig into router settings because NAT and ports often block multiplayer. First, check the NAT type in the Xbox network settings. Open means fewer restrictions, moderate or strict can break party chat and matchmaking. Enable UPnP on the router to auto-handle ports. If that fails, set a static IP on the Xbox and forward Xbox Live ports manually. Make sure to save and reboot the router after changes, because many routers require a restart to apply UPnP or port rules. You finish by running the Xbox network diagnostic and attempting a multiplayer session to confirm success. If issues persist, clear the alternate MAC address on the console and reboot. This resets network bindings that sometimes block access. If problems continue after static IP and port rules, back up router settings and perform a factory reset on the router, only as a last resort, because it erases custom configs. One key tip: if one step doesn't fix it, methodically revert and retry the previous change.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.